Use of article an. Use of article a. We use a before the words starting with a consonant sound. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. A rat, a kite, a fish, a jug, a van. Use of article n. We use n before the words starting with a vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U. An ant, an arrow. An egg, an eagle. An igloo, an ink pot. An ox, an owl. An urn, an uncle.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.